Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today I am going to show you how to make plantain black chana curry, or it is called as Balekayi kadlekalu gojju. It is a very good recipe for dosa, chapati. Now let's see the ingredients. 1 bowl plantain and 1 bowl soaked black chana, 1 tomato and 1 potato that I chopped it as small cubes and put it in the water. And for tempering, 1 medium sized onion, 1 cardamom and 1 piece cinnamon, salt for taste and oil for tempering. For masala, take a very small onion. Sometimes if you add more onion, the masala will become bitter. 1.5 inch ginger, 7 to 8 cloves and 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon and 1 cardamom. And 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, some cilantro, two tablespoons of coriander powder or dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 8 to 9 pods of garlic, and grind everything into a paste. Now our masala is ready. Now let's see how to make. In a pressure cooker, add oil, cardamom, cinnamon and sliced onions and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After onions are sauteed about 2 to 3 minutes, now add the masala and the soaked chana and mix it well. Now add around 2 to 2.5 cups of water and cook the chana till half cooked. Now the chanas are half cooked. Into this, add plantain, chopped potato and tomato. And add salt. Friends, now you can cover it and cook for about 2 to 3 whistles, or you can cook it openly till the plantains are fully cooked. Now it's ready to serve. Please give it a try and share your comments in the comment box below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.